Is that frightening? Oh, I can keep that going because that's YouTube free, isn't it? This is it. This is the tune for it as well. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Da, 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 da. And now today is shearing day. Right. Do you want it on your jumper?
It'll be alright.
It'll be alright?
Yeah, I'll change the top after.
Will you? What? Yeah. Twice this year? Right, you holding on tight because it hurts. And I won't do what Rob, Pack the Van and Go did.
What's that?
Take the black bit off whilst he's going halfway through. It's going grey, Will.
Yeah, I'm going old.
Oh yeah. You lift your chin up. That's it. Look at all these things migrating. Now he looks like Wurzel.
Just leave it like that now.
Just leave it like that now. Move your ear out over the back. That's it. Put it behind your ear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold your ears as well. You might lose them.
Yeah, you're gonna lose them.
Yeah.
I cut my boy's ear, my grandson's ear. He won't let me cut his hair no more. Now look up. Up, up, up. It goes every way under there, Will.
Yeah.
Hell, you wouldn't have thought he grew in the shade like that.
Only normally grows on the north side.
Yeah. Hang on. Arc of the thing grinding.
Let's see if you can get rid of your David Bellamy voice now.
Yeah. Okay. And here we have got rid of the creepy crawly nest.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, there's stuff that's been in there so long, it's endangered species.
It is, there is endangered species in there. I'm gonna have that stash off, Willow. Because that's all crooked, isn't it?
Yeah.
See if I can get it up your nose and take those out of your nose. Ow. Oh, I can't get to it with that. There you go, look at that, eh?
Yeah.
That's definitely a lot better, Will. I wish you'd let me take that mop off.
No.
Yeah, that mop is a bit at it. But what a way to have a haircut, right next to the stones.
Don't you touch my split ends.
I can only but give you an estimate.
Well, he needs a cut, I need a buff.
Yeah. Where are we today, Will?
At the old StoneHenge.
Oh, not the new one, but the old one.
Yeah. The new one made out of plastic.
But we got the big Neanderthal with us this time.
Yeah. Don't, mister. Don't touch me again.
It's alright, you don't have to be mad to come here, but it helps. Where are we now? Oh, thank you, David. That's
you, sir.
That's more editing.
Oh.
What did he do, Will?
Almost blown me
I know, he shit himself, didn't he?
Yeah.
I followed through.
I think.
Oh, no.
Touching cloth, anyway.
If the sheep can do it, so can you. There's no bees on them now.
No.
Not one.
Well, I wonder if the button works. There's a button there. Quick one. Oh, it's not working. Oh, you know why?
No, I don't.
Hold it. 3 seconds.
See? And there's me, a flower amongst all the thistles. Ain't that right, Petal?
What did you say you was?
Oh, he's a flower. Oh, he's a flower.
You flower?
Yeah, not cauliflower.
Cornflower.
Yeah, cornflower.
Mate, you will. What sort of flower
Oh,
are
he's
you?
definitely a petal. Isn't he?
He's a petal.
Yeah.
Little petal.
Little petal. Meh, meh. No, he's not. Meh. Show off. Show off. Hope somebody nicks your phone. What are you laughing at again? What are you laughing at?
There's the old StoneHenge.
Look. Solitude Poppy.
There. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Where are our vans, Kev?
Up there. Third planet from the north.
Keep.
Third planet from the
There.
north.
That's it. That's
There.
our vans.
That's it. Over there. Look. Ready?
Hang on.
Go back that way, Tad. No, then it's back this way. Yeah, that's them there. Oh, somebody got their bloody big finger in the way. Right, young David.
Yes.
What are we doing here?
Right. I've come down because I heard some really radical news. Apparently, someone has been along to our countryside, our proper British countryside. And,
our
Our
countryside,
countryside. And dumped a load of stones.
Yeah, they dumped a load of stones.
They've dumped a load of stones. Have a look.
They stood them up first, though.
Oh no, they stood them up. Apparently it was done by one person.
Was it only one?
It was one person, yeah.
Right.
And he's standing over there.
Oh, right, I thought you were going to say Bill Oddie.
Oi, you.
Hello.
Yeah, he's the only
What's
grem.
with this then? Putting the stones in.
How did you prop him up?
I farted.
Oh, he did nothing but a big fart anyway. Or no, he's a little fart, sorry.
Keep going.
No. If I hit him on the head, we can put him on top of the flower then. So, what are we looking at, Dave?
That one there.
That-
Right, silly cow.
That one. Oh, just that one.
I've just called her over.
Yeah, and she said, "I'm not over."
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, they're all up this end.
All we want.
The only brown one's kept to the one side.
Yeah. All we want is half a pint of milk. That's
Yeah.
all we want.
Yeah, and a burger. Each.
Yeah.
On the hoof. Why am I stood here? I can get through that gap. No, I can't. Ah, look, bloody barbed wire. Oh, stuck in my belly, look. Oh, look.
That almost turns you into a
Yeah,
hermaphrodite.
porcupine. Yeah. Sprung a leak.
No.
Oh, she's going to be a bully.
Oh, come
Is
on.
she?
Oh, is that where all the good grass is?
Yeah, you ain't having none of mine.
Yeah.
Look. No bikes. No acorns. And no cows.
Take care. Keep your distance. Avoid getting between animals and their young. please keep your dog on a short lead. I've got to go and get a dog now.
Yeah. No, we just put Will on a lead.
I've got to go and get a dog, put it on a short lead, right, and keep it at my side. Ponies or cows, if ponies or cows approach, let your dog... What? If ponies or cows approach, let your dog off the lead.
Yeah. Because it'd rather go after the cat or the dog.
Right, so that's your job, Will.
That's your job.
If they come after us,
You get in the middle.
You go.
Yeah, you got to go in and after them. Yeah. Yeah.
Just lay down on the floor and don't look like grass.
And just shout, Bisto! Burger. Mackie D. Here we are with David in his natural habitat.
Hello.
With the pins hanging out of those black things. Will must be humming because look at the fucking crows hanging around his van.
And the flies.
And the flies, yeah. That's the only reason why we bring Will, is to keep the flies off us. Look, there's another doggy in the field. But yeah, I've been up since 5. He's been up since 7. Yeah, I didn't come out. I just made tea and had some sugar puffs with golden syrup.
Sugar puffs.
No, not sugar puffs. Rice Krispies.
Oh.
Rice Krispies with golden syrup.
I had egg on toast.
You had egg on toast, right? Yeah, the plug wasn't in the water though. So he was moaning.
No, the lead was.
Yeah. Is what it is there's a piece of wire running along the side of my van there. Look, and he's picked it up out of the pug hole, put it over the top of the heater, because it was in the pug hole. But it's only for the.
I know you don't like anything moist.
Yeah. It's my solar panel. The sun. All the things on my solar panel, all the loop eyes are broken, so I can't hang it on the side of the van anymore. So it won't hurt. It's won't hurt. Yeah, there's quite a few pulled in last night. There's another 2 pulled in front of Dave here. There's one just gone from in front of Dave. They were the one with the doggy on it. Yeah. And there was 2 behind Will, and they've gone. Yeah, and they've gone. Yeah, I do believe it was a female solo driver by the look, because she came past me and I looked and smiled and got no response. So, right, yep, this is just another day en route to where we're going. And David always has to pass wind when I'm filming.
I won't even stay around for my own one.
Oh, let's move, because that was fucking dead from the head down.